السلام عليكم. كي دايرين لاباس؟ الحمد لله.
Alright, so today we are out. We are really sorry for the delay because it was really busy and we are still in lockdown, by the way.
السلام عليكم. سمحوا لينا على هاد الطيله هادي، صراحه كنت مشغوله مع لي زيتود وداكشي، ما كانش عندنا الوقت كاع فين نصوروا وشي مع الخدمه ايتو، دونك ما قدرناش. ولكن اليوم خرجنا غاديين في واحد الكانال بلاصه زوينه بزاف، غادي نوريكم هنايا. المهم يلا نمشيو نتحركوا كاملين وناكلوا كاملين.
And the place is called Regents Canal, which is really long.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna show you the part of it. Alright, so this is the best part of the day. This is Granary Square, and actually in normal days it's a really busy area, but as you can see there is nothing around. Everything is closed, but the view here is really good. On a coffee.
Look at this. Look at this place.
Freezing.
كبير هنايا، يعني خاصنا نتمشاو بزاف ولكن it's زوين. It's beautiful. Look.
It's really good.
Look at this. Look at this shops here.
Actually, these are old kind of constructions.
Yeah.
They are made in a very modern way. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, for example, look at this. Very beautiful here, right?
So cool.
Very cool. Because جينا الشارج ديال تا السوق. كان عندنا واحد الشارج في تارودان في واحد البلاصه سميتها تا السوق. شي واحد الفيلاج. المهم العائله هما اللي غادي يعرفوا. من بعد لقيت الشارج ديال تا السوق هنا. ها هو هنا فين كيعوموا الدراري البراج. ملي كيعوموا البراج كيعوموا هنايا قول، ولكن هادو ما حلينش تا السوق كيما حلينا حنا. هادو دايرين هادو ها هو شوف، ما تقدرش تخرج لديك الجهه، ولكن زوين هادشي الصراحه. هادشي لما تجمد في هاد البلاصه.
See all the boats are stuck here. The thing is we're gonna go to Camden Town to get some food, and yes, we'll see the place where the famous singer Amy Winehouse's statue is, and where she was born and brought up, I think.
Yeah,
She grew up there. So let's see.
This is the vibes of Camden Town. We didn't reach yet, but it's all like that.
Yeah. You like it? So these are the graffiti work in London, isn't it?
Espresso bar.
Let's get some nice coffee.
Indian tea. Okay, let's check the food. Yeah.
Super cheesy.
Mine as well. It's very good.
I love it, yeah.
Me too.
Mine, I've got cheese and spinach. And Wafa, she's got cheese, spinach and mushrooms.
We start the food.
Yeah. Okay, let's walk from here.
نشم ريحة الحلبة. Babe, it look like a doll. عرفتي ما يمكنش راه كاين واحد البرد. اوف البرد. عرفتي هاد البلاصة هادي واعر بزاف. Look, Shihab, where are you, babe?
आजा मेरे राजा तुझे जन्नत
दिखाऊंगा. Camden. Look at this building.
Yeah.
Fish and chips. And look at this doggy. Shab, remember?
Yeah, we had crepe here.
We had crepe here once.
Yeah. It was our first date, isn't it?
Yeah, first date. It's the guava, remember?
Have noodles?
Noodles. Hello.
Alright. Thank you. Okay.
هذا الدجاج. المهم عطانا الدجاج ولكن ما نقدرش ناكلوه باسكو يقدر ما يكونش حلال دونك عوض ما نقولوا ليه لا ما غناكلوش حشومه. We just gonna throw it now.
So we just met some photographers here who are from Japan.
Yeah.
And yeah, they're really nice people.
We exchanged Instagram.
Yeah, we
and
have seen
stuff.
their Instagram.
I think he took a good shot for us. Let's
Yeah.
see. I like this place. زوينة البلاصة بزاف.
So I'm gonna take my kid in there today.
غنمشيو ناكلو شويه ديال الحلويات شويه ديال الشوكولا شويه ديال غزل البنات. Right? هاي
No problem, ما بتشا. Lots of gelato.
What have you got? Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna take this
Fantasy. Which color would you like?
pink.
Pink.
Yeah.
Meantime, just yes.
Yes. What about you, babe?
I don't know. Going on.
You know when you buy this, you look messy. I know, but I like it.
Yeah.
It's very sweet.
See, that's what I got.
job.
Before.
It's really cool, right? Good. Chocolate guy. All the time. Chocolate. Always. This is for Amy.
الله أكبر يلا يلا يلا.
الماكله ديال الشوارع ديالهم. المهم اللي كاينه هنايا في كامدن تاون، هاد لي كيوسك هادو زوينين، تيديروا ماكله هكا دغيا. والحاجه اللي معروفه هنايا في انجليز هي فيش تشيبس، هي الحوت ولي فريت. بارك.
صافي واخا الحمد لله.
المهم صافي النهار سالا. المهم نوري لكم كامدن تاون، هاد البلاصه زوينه هادي. قالك قلنا البنات خاصنا نمشيو نرجعو للدار. صافي مرة اخرى ان شاء الله نجي لكم نروح حيت كاينين بزاف د الحوايج ما صورناهمش.
Alright guys, so our journey ends here. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also please share with your friends. And hopefully next time we're gonna show you really good places around here.